Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. Today for Try It Tuesday, we're going to try to keep calm and make it to Christmas break. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast, we have breakfast pizza. For lunch, chicken bites and carrots. Tomorrow for breakfast, we have a breakfast sandwich. For lunch, we have hot dogs and fries. Today's birthdays are Isabella Highsmith and Parker Scott. Happy birthday! Important dates. Friday is our Feel Good Friday. We have class celebrations at 1:30, and it's going to be Pajama Day. A couple of reminders. All library books need to be returned by Thursday. Ms. Smith will be picking those up each day. Teachers, don't forget to set AR goals so that students can test and track their progress. If you are having some issues with AR, please let Ms. Smith know and she can help you. We have several AR superstars to announce today. Braden Boswell, Miss Barnes' class. Jordan Fulton, Miss Bertolino's class. Kingston McAlmond, Miss Bertolino's class. Madeline Shuttlesworth, Miss Lankford's class. Victoria Smith, Miss Lankford's class. And Gabrielle Spillers, Miss Washam's class. Way to go! Next, we have a shout out to Joshua Slack from Ms. Granger. I would like to give a shout out to Joshua Slack. He is respectful and always does the right thing. He's always trying so hard in class, and I love that. I can't wait to see the progress he makes because he is ready to learn every day. Good job, Joshua. Way to go, Joshua Slack. Keep up that great work. Be a leader in your classroom. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.